The Russian army may have lost a batch of P-800 Onyx anti-ship missiles. This was reported by the head of the Odesa Regional State Administration, Serhiy Bratchuk. Several nights in a row, Russia launches massive missile strikes on Odesa. Ha-22 and P-800 Onyx missiles are used for this purpose. Both are classified as anti-ship, but Russia uses them to hit ground targets. Because of this, accuracy suffers, but air defenses cannot cope with the missiles. On the morning of the 24th of July, Crimea was attacked by several drones. The occupation authorities confirmed a hit on the ammunition depot. At the same time, there was no official information about the destruction of P-800 anti-ship missiles yet. The P-800 Onyx was developed back in the days of the Soviet Union. The supersonic anti-ship missile is used to destroy surface naval equipment in conditions of fire and electronic countermeasures. The missile is 8 meters long and has a wingspan of 1.7 meters. The launch mass is 3,000 kilograms. In flight, it can reach a speed of up to 3,200 kilometers per h. The speed near the surface is about 2,450 kilometers per h. During the final stage of flight, the missile descends to a height of 15 meters, making it difficult to be detected by air defense systems. The conventional version of the Onyx can hit targets at a range of up to 300 kilometers, while the Onyx M has a range of up to 800 kilometers.